Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can work in Keeper security and how you can manage your password, how you can stay safe and protect every single password that you own. First things first, we have to log in to our Keeper account or create a new one if you've decided to use the Keeper as your password keeper. Once we log in, straight away, we are in our workspace that we are going to create all the passwords. First thing, we should go to chrome.google.com and get this extension, Keeper Password Manager and Digital Vault. We click on Add to Chrome and allow this extension to be installed. Straight away, you see Keeper at our top right corner and the account that I'm logged in with. We have settings, display, Vault, and so on. Once we're in Vault, we want to go and click on this yellow plus button and create new. We can create a record, folder, shared folder, or payment card. Let's go with the record first. Title. Let's go with asset.sk, login, like this, password, let me hide it for a while, website address, like this, custom field. You don't have to use them, but they are here if you want to. Files or photos, or add a two-factor authentication. So you can upload the QR code or set up it manually. Right now we want to go and click Save. Straight away we have our website address and everything in here. As you can see at Keeper, we have our, you can display the logs or not, Vault, asset, and let's go to the asset.sk. Straight away we want to connect, but we've connected to the wrong one, I'm sorry. Right now we want to use our Keeper. Matching records, like this. We are going with asset, autofill, yeah. And here we got it. Do you like to save the password? Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are logging into Vault and we can turn it now. But we don't want this premium one. Once again, we have to log in with a password. We accidentally created the new one, but we can check it back. We just log out. We refresh the site. Extensions, matching records. Let's go with this one. And straight away, we can log in. Once we click on this one and this tab to fill. So it's very easy. So Warden or Keeper is providing you with very easy access, and also you don't make a mistake by addressing the passwords. What else we can create? We can create a folder, for example, logins, create, and yet again in logins we have options or edits and so on. So everything is under logins right now. We can create more of them and so on and so on and so on. We can create a shared folder if you want to share this folder with some third-party employees, for example, or payment card. Payment card, it's very easy to do. I'm not gonna do it on the video for obvious reasons. Let's go with card title, card number, and so on, month, year, name on the card, and billing address. What else we can do on Keeper? We have security audit. So you will see how strong your passwords are, or if there are some breaches, also if the password is weak, and you are basically risking your private data by using that password. Those are the breaches and deleted items. But let's go and check what else we can do. We can set up our account, as you can see in the top right corner. We click on settings, security or general. You can pick the theme. As you can see, the left sidebar is changing. Well, let's go like this. Language, you can reset the master password, but once you forget the master password, you won't be able to retrieve it. So I strongly recommend you to write it on some kind of paper or something. Security question, email address, and delete duplicate records, delete all owner records. Then we have security, enable self-destruct. You don't want to really stay logged in, especially if you're working in a work environment in some kind of offices. Two-factor authentication, it's very easy to set up. You can either use a text message with a phone number or Authenticator, RSA, Duo, or Keeper DNA. Auto-approve devices from recognized API address. Yeah, you can use it or you don't completely have to. Keeper fill, import and export. Import is very nice if you already have some other database, for example, even at Chrome, and you really want to import all your passwords, or go with Bitwarden, 1Password. We all have, or Dashlane. I have those kind of videos on this channel, so feel free to watch them. Maybe you will find that 1Password is way better for you than, for example, Keeper. There's a lot of options you can go through. As you can see, you can make it for any kind of login apps. We can do even Zapier, which is very good app for integrations. We just basically write down Zapier. We can go with my email, password, like this, website address. Custom field, you don't really need two-factor code right now. Note. I don't know, I'm just making it up. We can press save. We can even create a new folder. And so on and so on. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff you can go through. You can move your logins into the folders by just pressing the left button and dragging them into logins, for example. You can create a shortcut or move. let's go to the logins as well. And once you click out the logins ones, you can see that there are those options that we already saved. So hopefully you find this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.